Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel, your sacred space for healing, growth, and limitless abundance. In today's video, we are going to step into the energy of wealth and financial freedom. These are not just affirmations, they are powerful vibrations of prosperity that will connect you with the infinite energy of the universe. If you truly believe, feel, and speak these affirmations from your heart, your subconscious mind will begin to create magic in your life. You will begin to see opportunities appear, you will feel more confident, and your energy will align with abundance. So, relax. Breathe deeply. Let these affirmations fill your heart, your spirit, and your space. Allow them to transform your mindset, your beliefs, and your entire reality. The universe is always listening, and today, it's ready to open its doors to you. Let's begin. I am now open to receiving infinite wealth and financial success in every area of my life. I believe, deep within my heart, that money flows to me easily, abundantly, and effortlessly. I am deserving of success, and I fully accept it into my life now. I am surrounded by prosperity. Everywhere I look, I see opportunities to grow, to earn, and to prosper. My thoughts are aligned with abundance, and my actions reflect that belief every day. I radiate the energy of success wherever I go. The world responds to my confidence with generosity and open doors. Money is not just paper, it is energy. It responds to my energy, my emotions, and my intentions. I treat money with love, respect, and wisdom. And in return, money flows into my life like a never-ending stream of blessings. I handle money with care and awareness, knowing it amplifies what I value. I create sacred space for wealth to grow, flourish, and support all that I love. I love money because it helps me take care of my needs and fulfill my dreams. It allows me to support my family, give to causes I care about, and enjoy the beauty of life. I do not feel guilty about wanting more, because I know that I can do more good in the world with more money. I honor my desires and recognize them as divine guidance. It is safe for me to dream big and expect even bigger blessings. Every day, I am attracting wealth from known and unknown sources. Even while I sleep, the power of my subconscious mind continues to bring financial blessings into my life. I trust the universe completely. I know that it is working in my favor always. Unexpected income delights me. Surprise gifts uplift me. Abundance is always near. I am constantly in the flow of new opportunities, aligned connections, and creative ideas. I am rich not just in money, but in love, happiness, wisdom, and peace. True wealth is about more than just numbers in a bank account, it's about freedom, joy, and security. And I welcome all of it into my life with open arms. My life is overflowing with abundance in every form. I feel deeply fulfilled, supported, and whole. I believe in my ability to manifest abundance. I am taking powerful steps toward my goals. Even when challenges arise, I remain steady, confident, and focused on my vision. Obstacles are stepping stones to my success. I rise stronger and wiser each time. I am thankful for the money I already have and excited about what is coming next. Gratitude is my magnetic force, it pulls even more wealth into my life. The more grateful I am, the more the universe rewards me. I bless every dollar I receive and every bill I pay. I give thanks for the flow of money both in and out. I trust in divine timing. I know that everything is working out perfectly for me and that wealth is arriving exactly when I need it. I am never in lack because I am connected to an unlimited source. Everything I desire is already on its way. I relax into the timeline of miracles. I am guided by wisdom when it comes to money. I make smart decisions that lead to growth and abundance. I invest in myself, my education, and the things that bring long-term fulfillment. I take actions that honor my future self. I am proud of how far I've come and where I'm going. I release all negative beliefs about money. I no longer believe that money is hard to earn or that I am not good enough. Those old stories no longer belong to me. I now choose a new story, one of confidence, abundance, and power. I reprogram my mind for prosperity, joy, and ease. Old patterns dissolve and new beliefs take root. I forgive myself for past financial mistakes. I've learned from them and I have grown wiser. Now, I make every financial decision with clarity, courage, and purpose. I release shame and embrace growth. My past does not define me, it empowers me. I am becoming wealthier with every breath I take. My energy is magnetic. I attract generous clients, exciting opportunities, loyal supporters, and brilliant ideas. My work is valued. My presence is inspiring. My worth is undeniable. I am here to thrive. I give generously and receive generously. There is always more than enough. The more I give, the more I receive, and the more joy I feel in both. Giving opens my heart and strengthens my connection to the universe. Receiving affirms my worth and welcomes blessings. I am worthy of high income and multiple streams of wealth. I welcome bonuses, raises, gifts, inheritance, unexpected income, and passive money into my life. I receive them all with grace, humility, and excitement. Every source of income I create brings me closer to financial freedom. My earning potential is limitless. I am aligned with success. Everything I do leads to growth and expansion. I am always learning, evolving, and stepping into my higher self. I see success in my relationships, health, mindset, and finances. I am balanced, grounded, and rising. I am becoming a better version of myself every day. I trust myself. I believe in myself. And I celebrate every step I take toward my dreams. Self-celebration fuels my journey. I honor my progress, no matter how small. The universe is my partner in wealth creation. It always has my back. Whenever I need guidance, I receive it. Whenever I need support, it shows up. I am never alone on this path. Divine intelligence walks beside me, lighting the way. I am a magnet for miracles. I am a magnet for money. I am a magnet for wealth, joy, and fulfillment. I expect miracles, and they arrive daily. My life is a reflection of my limitless potential. Every thought I think, every word I speak, every action I take, all are infused with abundance. I see myself living in my dream home, enjoying luxurious experiences, and sharing my wealth freely. This is my reality now. It is already mine. I feel safe in luxury. I feel at home in wealth. My life is full of beauty and peace. My relationship with money is healthy, happy, and strong. Money supports me in creating the life I desire. It allows me to travel, to rest, to grow, and to live with freedom. I feel excited when I manage my finances. Money is my friend, my tool, and my gift. I no longer fear money. I love money. I no longer chase money. I attract money. I no longer doubt myself. I trust myself. My confidence shines and attracts abundance. My trust in myself unlocks new levels of wealth. I am in control of my financial destiny. I am no longer a victim of circumstances, I am a creator of my life. I choose wealth. I choose happiness. I choose abundance. I rewrite my financial story with power and purpose. My vision is clear and my path is open. Money comes to me in fun, easy, and unexpected ways. I celebrate every amount, no matter how big or small. It's all evidence that the universe is listening and responding. Even the smallest coin is a symbol of alignment. I honor every form of abundance. I visualize my bank account growing every day. I feel the joy of financial freedom and I embody it now. My emotions are aligned with abundance and abundance is aligned with me. I feel it. I see it. I am it. Abundance is my natural state. I am always learning about money, wealth, and success. I enjoy studying abundance. I enjoy talking about prosperity. It inspires me and uplifts others. My knowledge expands and so does my wealth. I am a leader in prosperity consciousness. I trust that I will always have more than enough. I will never be in lack again because I am now aligned with the energy of wealth. This truth is embedded deep within my soul. Abundance is who I am. It flows through me and from me. I celebrate other people's success because I know that their abundance is proof that I can have it too. There is more than enough for all of us. I am happy for others and I know my time is here now. Their joy reflects my future. I am next in line for miracles. I am ready. I am aligned. I am receiving now. Thank you so much for being here and allowing these affirmations to fill your heart and soul. You are powerful. You are worthy. And you are ready to receive every blessing that the universe has for you. Remember, abundance begins with belief. Keep listening, keep repeating, and let these words guide you every single day. Your subconscious mind is always listening and now, it's bringing everything you desire into your life. If this video resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your journey to wealth, happiness, and freedom is only just beginning. Stay abundant, stay radiant, and remember the universe loves you. See you in the next video. Thank you.